Traveling up the 101 on the coast of Oregon, you'll find the Tillamook Cheese Factory. Open every day, 10 a.m. to who knows. No joke, they say they process something like 1 million pounds of cheese a day. That's a lot of cheeseburgers, that's a lot of mac and cheese, that's a lot of cheese curds, that's a lot of cheese cutting if you ask me. We showed up 5 minutes before they opened. There's already a line outside. Would you stand in line just to watch a bunch of people cut the cheese? Well, let's go get in line and let's go see about some cheese. It is time to see them cut the cheese. Well, at least it's free. Anybody else want nachos? Anybody? Nachos? We're going for nachos after this? Who wants to go for nachos? Nachos. Nachos. Na 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 na.